Hi guys, today we're going to see how to use the Report Abuse module in our plugin, YITH WooCommerce Multi Vendor Marketplace. This feature allows users to report vendors or their products, and this way you're going to be informed of any issues in your marketplace. Before we get into it, let me remind you, of course, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. So, the Report Abuse module allows the admin to add a link for users to report abuse on the vendor's product pages. Let's see how to use it. After installing and activating the plugin, you're going to go over to YITH Multi Vendor, Modules, and you're going to look for the Vendor's Report Abuse module, and you're going to enable it. Now you're going to see two new subtabs. You're going to see Reported Abuse and Report Abuse Settings. So we're going to click on the first one. Here's where the admin will find the reports sent by users. If no reports were sent, this is what it would look like. Then the Report Abuse Settings is where you will find the option to either disable the Report Abuse link, enable the link on all products, or to enable it only for vendors' products. So I'm going to choose this one. If you select any of these two options that enable the Report Abuse link, you're going to get these new options. Report Abuse link label, where you can enter the label for that link. I'm going to leave this as Report Abuse. And then you're going to find the option to change the link's color. Right now it's red. We're just going to leave it as it is. You can of course choose the color you want. I'm going to save options. And now we're going to see how this link looks on a vendor's product page. Let's go to the site. This is the vendor's product. You have right here the vendor it belongs to. And right here below the Add to Cart button, we're going to find the Report Abuse link. Any user that wants to report abuse on this product is going to click here, and he's going to get this model window. Here he's going to find the product he's reporting abuse on and the vendor again. The user will be able to enter name, email address. If the user is logged in, then this information is going to be filled in automatically. And then he's going to find this box to enter the reason why they're reporting abuse. Let's enter any message to send this report. And now the user should click on Send Report. The user would see this message after sending the report. Thank you. We will get in touch with you as soon as possible. And now, if I go back to the admin dashboard and go over to Reported Abuse, the report is here visible on the admin's dashboard. We have the product for which the user reported abuse. We have the vendor that sells the product. We have the user, or at least the information that was entered in the form, the date. And if we click here on View, we're going to see the message, so the reason why this user is reporting abuse. We have the reason I entered seconds ago. Hi, the product description doesn't match the image, seems to be a knockoff instead of the original. So the admin can see all of this, and by clicking here on the reply button, he's going to be able to email this user to reply to this report. Okay guys, that's how you can use the Report Abuse module in our plugin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll meet again for our next video.